Verifying your domain on Paddle is an essential process to ensure that your business is recognized and trusted. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into your Paddle account. Access your Paddle account by entering your credentials on the Paddle login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage domain settings. Step 2. Navigate to domain settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section in your dashboard. Look for the domains or domain verification option to begin the verification process. Step 3. Add your domain. Click on the option to add a new domain. Enter the domain name you wish to verify and ensure it is spelled correctly. Confirm that you own this domain before proceeding. Step 4. Choose a verification method. Paddle will provide several methods for verification, such as adding a TXT record to your DNS settings or uploading an HTML file to your website. Select the method that best suits your capabilities. Step 5. Complete the verification. Follow the instructions for the chosen verification method. If you opted for a DNS record, log into your domain registrar and add the provided TXT record. If you chose the HTML file method, upload the file to the root directory of your website. Once done, return to Paddle and click on the verification button. After completing these steps, your domain should be successfully verified on Paddle. If you encounter any issues, consult Paddle's support resources for assistance.